Here is how to make deliciously moist and flaky air fryer salmon fillets. But first, let's make a simple salmon rub. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika powder, 1 teaspoon of brown sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of thyme. Or you can use your own favorite salmon seasoning or spice mix. Now, brush the salmon fillets with some olive oil and generously rub them with pressed garlic. Then, sprinkle on the salmon seasoning we made earlier and place the salmon fillets into an air fryer basket. Air fryer the salmon fillets at 390 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius for about 8 to 10 minutes till the salmon is scrumptiously flaky in the middle and slightly brown on top. Here is a deliciously creamy mashed potatoes recipe that goes perfectly well with these air fryer salmon fillets. Check it out now.